Living with allergies can be a constant struggle, as the quality of the air around us plays a critical role in managing symptoms. The Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor for allergy sufferers is an innovative solution designed to offer relief by vigilantly monitoring and alerting users to the presence of pollen, dust mites, and other common allergens. This smart monitor is equipped with precise sensors that detect the levels of these irritants in the air. By keeping a continuous check on these elements, it helps allergy sufferers create and maintain an environment that minimizes their exposure to allergens. One of the most valuable features of this device is its alert system. When the concentration of pollen or dust mites exceeds a predefined level, the monitor sends immediate notifications to the user's smartphone. This proactive alert enables users to take swift action, such as employing air purifiers or adjusting their ventilation, to reduce allergen levels and alleviate potential discomfort. The integration of Wi-Fi technology allows users to access real-time air quality data remotely. Through a dedicated app, they can monitor allergen levels at any time, providing them with the information they need to make informed decisions about their environment and activities. For those who suffer from allergies, the Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is a powerful ally in the quest for comfort and well-being. It not only alerts users to the presence of allergens but also empowers them to take control of their environment, making it as allergen-friendly as possible. To find out more about how this monitor can help you or someone you care about live more comfortably with allergies, please reach out to me through the email on my page. I will be happy to provide additional information and will respond to your inquiry within 24 hours.